Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Expert Sudoku. Expert Sudoku builds upon the fundamental rules of the classic game, but demands a deeper understanding of number placement. You'll be working with a 9x9 grid, aiming to place digits from 1 to 9 in every cell. Remember, each row, column, and 3x3 box must contain all 9 digits without repetition. This level often requires more strategic thinking and pattern recognition. Let's dive into some advanced techniques, starting with hidden singles. A hidden single is a digit that, despite appearing as a candidate in multiple cells, can only be placed in one specific cell within a row, column, or 3x3 block. Similarly, hidden pairs involve two digits that can only occupy two particular cells within a given line or box. Mastering these will greatly improve your ability to solve more challenging puzzles. Moving on to even more powerful strategies, we have the X-wing. This technique involves identifying a candidate digit that appears in exactly two cells in two different rows, forming a rectangle. This allows you to eliminate that candidate from other cells in the corresponding columns. The swordfish is a similar, but more complex, pattern involving 3 rows or columns. These methods are crucial for tackling the most difficult expert puzzles. To conquer Expert Sudoku, always begin with the basics, filling in any obvious numbers and making simple eliminations. Then, meticulously mark all possible candidates in each empty cell using pencil marks. After every number you place, take a moment to reevaluate the grid for new opportunities. Consistent practice is key to developing the intuition and pattern recognition needed to master these challenging puzzles. Good luck!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.